Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Nur Sufenisa and this is Anisi Dayak, Anis Farhana and Nur Aisha Ida. And now we will be presenting our IoT project. Our project is an IoT system that tracks the IIS in real time using the We automatically collect telemetry every minute, store it in a database, analyze altitude and longitude changes, and visualize the IIS path on the interactive map. This chart shows the IIS altitude variations over our 9.25-day observation period. The altitude fluctuates between 415.3 km and 433.2 km. These periodic changes reflect the elliptical orbit of the IIS and confirm that our system successfully detected real altitude variations.
Here's chart 2, ISS orbital velocity patterns where the station speed changes as it orbits the Earth, and the faster at the perigee, slower at the apogee. This is due to the conservation of angular momentum, where on average, the ISS travel 27 and 574 km per hour. We are completing an orbit every 90 minutes, and this chart shows orbital physics in action.
So based on the chart 3, which shows the altitude distribution of the International Space Station using a histogram, each bar represents how frequently the ISS was recorded at different altitude ranges. From the chart, we can see that most measurements fall between 420 to 425 kilometers, meaning the ISS spends the majority of its orbit near its average altitude. This tells us that the ISS rarely reaches those extreme perigee or apogee points. Overall, the histogram shows a clear concentration around the mid-altitude range.
This scatter chart visualizes ISS latitude positions over time. The pattern shows the ISS orbits between approximately 51.6 degree and 51.6 degree latitude, which corresponds to the ISS orbital inclination of 51.6 degrees. This coverage allows the ISS to pass over around 90% of Earth's inhabited areas. Sample of raw data stored in MySQL database showing latitude, longitude, altitude, and velocity measurements at different timestamps. Key findings from our project are 17.865 km range confirms elliptical orbit characteristics and fulfill Bonnet's objective. Second, inverse relationship observed, high velocity at lower altitude and lower velocity at higher altitude. And sixth, longitude variations from negative 108.76 degrees to 142.31 degrees, which demonstrate worldwide ground track coverage.